January is a time for fresh starts and new beginnings. It's time to reset those fitness goals. If you want to get in shape on a budget, check out this week's Aldi Finds. Let's go. Let's start with the 4-piece band and loop set. Now, the price is $4.99 and it contains 2 stretch bands and 2 loops. This is actually great for strengthening and stretching different muscle groups. Now, when I had to go to physical therapy, they had me use these stretch bands. Oh, well, it was similar stretch bands. And I was so sore by the time I got home, but it was well worth it because it worked all of the kinks out of my upper shoulder and neck muscles. This fitness band is also $4.99. It comes in different sizes. This one is a medium, and this particular stretch band is great for strengthening and stretching different muscle groups, and it pretty much works for the whole body. You can totally have your own personal workout session at home using these stretch bands. Now, there is a warning on this one for those who are allergic to natural rubber latex, so y'all just be careful out there. The 5-piece loop set is also $4.99. This particular one has 5 different colored stretch bands, and they all represent a different level of difficulty. The body fat scale is $9.99. I think they could have come up with a better name for this scale than that, but I get it. If you have a large family, this is perfect for you. It stores information for up to 12 people, which includes height, age, and gender. It measures weight, body fat, water content, muscle mass, and bone mass. The sauna vest and waist trimmer are both $4.99 each. They come in small to extra large. Now, let me know down in the comment section if you've used one of these sauna vests. Do y'all remember back in the day when we used to wrap our bodies in saran wrap before exercising to create the same effect as this sauna vest? I mean, saran wrap was a game changer back in the day. The workout push-up board is $9.99. Now, I'm thinking about getting this for my son's birthday. He's been working really hard on building muscle and does at least 50 to 100 push-ups a day. And I'm thinking that this push-up board can be a game changer for him. The good thing about it is it's foldable, which makes it easy to store under the bed or in the closet. You can also transport it anywhere, and we travel a lot on the weekends, so this will be great for him to bring along to continue with his workout while we're on the road. The door trainer is $9.99. Y'all, this thing gave me so much grief during my PT sessions. This one really worked on my upper body, and this particular door trainer easily attaches to any standard door, and I'm down for anything that is easy to assemble. It has adjustable straps, and it helps you train for power, coordination, and balance using your own body weight. It also has a carrying bag, which is a plus in my book. The Evo smartwatch is $24.99. Now, this smartwatch allows you to view notifications, and if you get a lot of notifications throughout the day, this can be annoying. But aside from that, this watch monitors your sleep patterns, and the sedentary reminder alone makes this watch worth it. The laminating pouches are $4.99. It comes with 40 9x11 pouches. Y'all, I thought the whole laminator was $4.99, and I thought that can't be right, so I had to read. Reading is fundamental. But when I saw pouches, I was like, oh, okay, yeah, they're talking about pouches, not a whole lemonade machine. How many of y'all have that one coworker who's always cold? I had one, and she would come to work every day eating her huge cup of Sonic Ice and would have that personal heater on full blast while wrapped up in her blanket. Y'all, those were the days. This ceramic personal heater is $14.99. The silicone portion trays are $4.99. These are great for portion control. I saw a recipe for overnight oats using these silicone trays, and I think I want to give it a try. These will be perfect for that recipe. Now, there's one tray with 4 compartments, one with 6, and one with 9. You can store these in the fridge or freezer, and it's oven and microwave safe without the lids. These can be used for soup, sauces, baby foods, pretty much everything. The 3-pack rotating lock container is $9.99. The new year is fast approaching, and if you're anything like me, I like to go into the new year with a clean and organized house. These containers are dishwasher safe, food safe, and BPA free. I saw this cutting board in the weekly ad and placed it on the list of things to get when I got to Aldi. Y'all know I had to grab the pink one because that's my favorite color. This cutting board is $4.99. I currently have about 5 cutting boards, and they are on their last leg. Now that I have this, I can throw them in the trash. These reusable valve seal bags are $3.99. They are great for storing leftovers, snacks, and treats. And these would definitely save money in the long run because you won't have to continue purchasing those disposable plastic Ziploc bags. The stretch pod and cover set is $5.99. Y'all, I did not know this was a thing. This is a 4-piece set and you use it to store fruits, vegetables, or solid foods. Now, after seeing this, I think I need one because when I cut a lemon or onion and don't use all of it, I store it in a mason jar in the refrigerator. But this container will make storing my cut fruits and vegetables much easier. The 20-piece meal prep containers are $4.99. Now, these are a game changer, y'all. I meal prep on Sundays. So during the week, all my family have to do is take their meal prep container and warm it up in the microwave. It saves me time, which is valuable to me. $4.99 for 20 pieces is well worth it. Now, if you're on the fence about meal prepping in 2024, this is your wake-up call, honey, saying just do it. The collapsible meal kit is $4.99. Now, I love the fact that it doesn't take up a lot of space in your cabinets. Now, the meal prep containers that I just showed you, those are a little bulky and it does take up some space in your cabinet, but they are well worth it. These are worth it too because they don't take up a lot of space. And this is great for kids who take their lunch to school. Each section holds up to 1 cup. The fitness bra is $7.99. They come in different colors and sizes. Now, if you're in need of a fitness bra, Aldi got you covered. The 30-pound kettlebell set is $19.99. It comes with a 15-pound, 10-pound, and a 5-pound kettlebell. These are great for strengthening your arm, leg, shoulder, and abdominal muscles. The dumbbell set with storage rack is $19.99. Now, these are great for resistance training. Aldi has 2 types of planners. One is a personal weekly, monthly planner, and the other is a specialty planner. I love the cover of this one. It says 2024 to plan a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Now, the first page is a quick reference page that houses your personal and emergency contact information because we know that information is important. Each month has a personalized motivational message. January says begin each day with a grateful heart. And the page to the left is where you will list your monthly goals, priority projects, work or school activities, finances, self-care, birthdays, and special dates and events for that month. Like those are like goals that you have for that month under those categories. Let's see what the remainder month's motivational quotes are. February says positive mind, positive life. March says happiness looks lovely on you. April, turn dreams into plans. May, good things are coming. June, you are exactly where you need to be. July, bloom where you are planted. Amen. I love that one. I love July's motivational quote. August, make the most of every moment. September, growth occurs outside of your comfort zone. Ain't that the truth? October, the possibilities are endless. November, focus on the good. December, your efforts are enough. Remember, your efforts are enough. It also has stickers, y'all. I love decorating my planner with stickers. And there's a note section in the very back that says, make yourself a top priority. In 2024, make yourself a top priority. Moving on to the glass canisters with bamboo lids. And these are $7.99, by the way. These are perfect for storing pasta, nuts, coffee beans, and more. The adjustable mandolin slicer is $9.99. Y'all, I've never heard of this until now, and apparently you can slice thin cuts of meat, fruits, vegetables, all kinds of things with this mandolin slicer. The snack on the go container is $2.99. These are perfect for school lunches or for those times where you don't want to buy fast food while you are out shopping. The sandwich on the go is also $2.99. They also have condiments on the go. They have everything on the go for $2.99. Now, this is a 2-compartment snack on the go container for $2.99. The holiday storage cubes are $7.99. It's a little pricey now that Christmas is over, and hopefully it will go lower next week. And if it does, I will be back in Aldi next week to get me some holiday storage cubes. I haven't taken any of my Christmas decor down, but when I do, it will be nice and organized in a container. The Christmas tree storage bags are $19.99. I really need this because those cardboard boxes that they come in, Mine are on their last leg. And it's only so much duct tape you can put on that box before it just completely comes apart. The wreath storage bag is $4.99. And this is another thing that I really need, a wreath storage bag for when I do get a wreath, because this year I did not have a Christmas wreath on my door. I did not. I just couldn't bring myself to pay $30 to $40 for it. The expandable 4-tier shoe rack is $12.99. Now to me, this shoe rack looks like it could hold all of our shoes. We have huge feet in this house. Right now I have a shoe rack in front of the house so that everyone knows to pull their shoes off so that they don't track germs everywhere. The decorative laundry baskets are $6.99. I think calling it decorative is a stretch, but as long as it gets the job done, it's a plus in my book. The utility runner is $9.99. The measurements are 24 by 72 and they have 4 options to choose from. I should get a couple for my mom because she is old school and has those plastic runners everywhere so that her carpet doesn't get dirty, and these will be perfect for her because they are skid resistant, machine washable, and great for high traffic areas. I hope you all enjoyed this week's Aldi Finds. One thing I want you to remember is good things are coming. You are exactly where you need to be, and make every moment count. I'll see you in the next video. Bye y'all.